Earth is hiding some of the most unbelievable places you'll ever see. These destinations look so surreal you'll swear they're CGI, but they're 100% real. Let's explore 10 hidden places you won't believe exist. This cave looks like the Milky Way, but underground. The Waitomo glowworm cave glows naturally thanks to thousands of bioluminescent insects. It feels like floating through a galaxy of blue stars. These mountains inspired Avatar. Towering stone pillars rise thousands of feet through the clouds, creating landscapes that look like floating islands. Lake Hillier is naturally bubblegum pink, and the color stays pink even in a bottle. Scientists still don't fully understand why. Waves of sandstone glowing from sunlight. Antelope Canyon looks like a real-life painting carved by nature. Below Cappadocia's famous balloons are entire underground cities where 20,000 people once lived, with kitchens, churches, and tunnels. Socotra feels like another planet. Over 1/3 of its species exist nowhere else on Earth. These glowing blue caves were carved by waves over thousands of years. The patterns look unreal. A rainbow-colored geyser shooting boiling water? Fly Geyser was created by accident, and now it looks like a fantasy world. Plitvice is a waterfall paradise. Turquoise lakes, wooden walkways, and endless cascades. A perfect green tunnel formed naturally around a railway track. Legend says couples walking here can make a wish, and it will come true. These hidden places prove how magical our planet really is. Which one amazed you the most? Comment below, and subscribe for more unbelievable travel wonders.